Hey there, welcome to your very first claymation-inspired makeup adventure. If you've ever felt like smoky eyes are just for the pros, guess what? You're not alone. We've all stared at those dramatic looks and wondered, how did they do that without making a mess? Today, I'm breaking it down super easy, step by step in a fun claymation style. We'll go slow so you can follow along and actually enjoy the process. You don't need fancy tools or tons of experience, just a little patience and a willingness to play. Think of this as a creative project, not a test. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, grab your basics, an eyeshadow primer, a light shade, a medium brown, and your darkest shadow, a deep brown or black. If you don't have these exact colors, don't stress. Use what you have and make it your own. I like to use fluffy brushes, but if you only have your fingers, that works too. Start with primer. This step is like prepping your clay before you sculpt. Super important for a smooth result. Dab it over your lids to keep everything in place. Don't forget those inner corners and right up to your brow bone. Think of it like clay. It keeps your masterpiece from crumbling. A good base means your colors will pop and last longer, just like a sturdy clay figure. Now, with your lightest color, sweep it all over your lid, right up to your brow bone. This creates a bright, even canvas for the rest of your look. This is like rolling out your base layer of clay, smooth, even, and ready for detail. Don't rush this part. A good base makes everything else easier. Next, grab that medium brown and blend it into your crease. This is where the magic starts to happen, adding depth and dimension. Use windshield wiper motions going back and forth. Imagine you're gently smoothing out a line of clay, making sure there are no harsh edges. Don't stress if it looks messy, that's totally normal at this stage. Every artist starts with a rough draft and makeup is no different. Claymation isn't perfect and neither is makeup. It's all about blending. Take your time here. The more you blend, the softer and more professional it'll look. Now for the star of the show, your darkest shade. This is what gives the smoky eye its signature drama. Tap a little onto the outer corner of your eye, then softly blend it in, shaping a gentle V. Start with a small amount. You can always add more, but it's harder to take away. Think of this like sculpting with clay. Add a little, blend a lot, and build up depth slowly. Layering is key to a smoky eye that looks rich, not muddy. If it feels too harsh, don't worry. That's what blending is for. Use your brush or even a clean finger to blur those edges. Soft circular motions work wonders here. The magic of the smoky eye is in the blend. It should look soft and seamless, like a clay figure coming to life. If you need to, go back with your medium shade to help smooth out any lines. For a little extra drama, smudge a bit of that medium or dark shade along your lower lash line. This step ties the whole look together and makes your eyes pop. Just a touch, like adding tiny details to your claymation character. It's those little finishing touches that make your look unique. Finish with mascara and boom, you're done. Wiggle the wand from root to tip for extra volume. And don't forget your lower lashes for that wide-eyed effect. Look at you, rocking a beginner-friendly smoky eye, all in under 3 minutes. Remember, makeup is art. Every time you try, you get a little better, just like with claymation. Have fun with it, experiment, and don't worry about perfection. Try different color combos or add a pop of shimmer if you're feeling bold. If claymation has taught me anything, it's that every little mistake can turn into something awesome. Sometimes a smudge or a slip leads to a whole new look you love. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. I've got plenty more creative, beginner-friendly looks coming your way. And let me know in the comments how your smoky eye turned out. Share your tips, tricks, or even your funny fails. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Stay creative and keep blending. Remember, every masterpiece starts with a single swipe. So keep practicing and have fun with your makeup journey.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.